Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi or enable Bluetooth so the printer is reachable. Open the PDF in a reliable viewer app. This matters because some apps expose full print controls while others do not. Once the file is open, tap the Share or Menu icon and look for Print. This first step moves you straight into the system printer picker instead of wasting time on settings you'll adjust later. Now select your printer from the list. If it's not there, add it by IP or via the app's discovery. Set essential options: pages to print, copies, and orientation. These choices change paper use and layout, so take a quick look. Then pick paper size and color mode. Duplex halves paper for double-sided jobs. Use the preview to confirm margins and scaling so you avoid wasted sheets. Once done, you're ready to print. Tap Print and monitor the job status on your phone or the printer's display. This tells you when to collect pages. Verify the output immediately. Check page order, margins, and color accuracy so you catch issues right away. If nothing prints, make sure the printer shows online. Then restart the printer or your router and reconnect your phone to the same network. That restart often fixes driver or network hiccups, and reselecting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.